Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. As you know that virus and all the malware attacks are happen when browsing. So browsing is and as well as the internet is all about the security risks. So in order to tackle it and make your browser safe, so I got the video for you. So we can simply go to the Google Chrome and we can add the extensions so that any viruses or the malicious software as well as the any link of the malicious we can scan that. So how to do that? We have to add the extensions. So let me show you. You need to search this option virus total scan extensions and go to this website v24 browser. This is for the Chrome extension, right? And this one is its normal website. So let me show you the both so that you can. Okay, this one is for Chrome. Now let me add it. Now this browser is open and very safe. It will scan all the malicious software as well as the any link. Let me remove the extension from here. Virus total scan, its name. Now go to its official website. Now first we have added now. It has been added. So once it is added, go to three dots here, and you can see v24 browser is added. Just pin it, and once you pin it, click on this option. And if you want to scan the PDF as well, so untick this option. And if you want to show the prompt when you download any virus file from the internet, so click on save here. Now let me show you what is the use of it. Now we have successfully added it. Okay, it has saved now. So let's say you are browsing any third-party software or the any third-party websites. So before choosing that, PDF to Word. Okay. Now before choosing the any website and browsing to link, just make a right click on hover up to the website and you will see here the v24 browser scan and select the scan the selected link, and this will redirect you to whether it's safe or not, the website is malicious or something issue with the website. You can see it is analyzing now, and in order to scan the any other file here, now you can see no security vendor flag and it has 91 scan, and you can see, I mean, this website is safe now, we can easily browse it. So you need to do only when you suspect any website is not secure like free website, you should go with this virus total scan. So this one is for Google extension, but if you don't want to add it, but it's recommended to add this, but if you don't want to add it, just go to its official website. Okay, and go to URL, and you can also scan the link of the website like this. Before doing anything, just scan, hit enter. Now this will do the same process here. You can see it's safe now. So both results are same, but let's say if you have downloaded any file on your computer, so in order to check that, you need to choose here the file, then choose the file here. Now choose the file which you have downloaded. So let me show you just for this option. This one is for only testing purpose, but this is scanning genuinely, and I use the software if I suspect, and you can see no security it means that this file is safe. And let's say if you want to choose another file here, you can choose it. Let me choose this PDF. Confirm uploading. Now you can see it has started now scanning, and it will analyze all the details here. You can see it is going to different websites to checking it. Google, Avast. Now you can see no security vendors are, and no sandboxes flagged. I mean, this file is safe and there is no risk in this file. So if someone has hacked your PC or someone is doing wrong with your PC, you can scan the file as well as when you go to any browser and go to the any website, so you can easily scan that website through the Chrome extensions as well as its official website. So after that, guys, hope this video useful for you guys and your security is not at risk. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix that.